Well, hi everybody and welcome back. This is just a little quick update really of what's going on at the moment. As you can see, a lot of the peppers have all come up there. Jalapenos, capsicums, sweet peppers and stuff like that, so that's doing really well. They need to be potted on really before they get too big. And obviously our broad beans, they've actually made a start. You can see they're coming along there very well. We've done 2 trays of those, you might remember that. And got some greyhound cabbage coming. They need pricking out onto bigger pots. I've got some okra growing, as you can see there. That's just quite good. That's what's left over of the cauliflower, because we've already planted them into larger cell trays. So the lettuce are doing really well, getting their second set of leaves. So they really need potting onto bigger pots, and then we'll be planting them out in a week or 2, I expect. Our onions, now they're romping away, they are. These are red onions, nice little tray of them. We've got some carrots growing, these are the early nantes, so they'll need potting on, or planting out really. Spring onions are growing, a couple of rows of parsley. You never have enough parsley, and we've got a little bit of coriander growing on the end, which is quite good really. Our leeks seem to be doing well. These are our pendle improved. Yeah, they seem to be okay. And we got the Cumbrians next to it. They're doing okay. And next to that is the Kelsey onions. You can see they're doing really quite well. Not quite needing support yet, but it won't be too long. So down on the other bench, these are the strawberry plants we transplanted. They seem to be doing really nice. They're ready to go out. There's the Kelsey onion we're growing for seed, or one of them anyway. And our 2 little trays of radish. So they're doing really well, they're bulking up good. So another couple of Kelsey onions we're growing for seed. Another one down there just started. This is cauliflower all year round. Obviously put into bigger trays, so they're doing okay. And on the other side we've got lots more onions growing, red baron, and we've got shallots. And some more onions and some more shallots. No movement on the dahlias yet, but I suppose it's early days. And that one there, still nothing coming out of the dahlias. And we've got a canna here, but we've got no movement on the canna either yet, but I suppose it's early. Anyway, that's just a quick update. And thanks for watching. See you on the next one.